This is your description for hip flexion hovers while in the bottom of a single leg squat. I'm going to go from the easiest option to the hardest. So if you don't quite have a single leg squat, what we want to do is get down on an object that we can sit on, kind of in the lowest position where you feel like you could stand up off of it. We just don't want to be so low that we wouldn't have any ability to contract the muscles that would get us up out of this squat. So what I could do for my first option is just pushing down through the squatting leg while I try to lift my straight leg up and over. Could be an imaginary thing, especially if you only have a little bit of hip flexion. If you have more hip flexion, we can challenge ourselves by giving us a target to go over. And then to progress that, we basically lower this object down, making sure that we're not going too far beyond our active range. With the hardest option, I'm not going to be able to do it over that high, but actually just going down into the bottom of a single leg squat, holding, making sure our heel's down, and then hovering that object up and over. So over and back counts as 1 rep. Repeat that for your desired number of reps.